ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 58, ஸ்லோகா 4. सकलहरिति दीप्ते घोरभाङ्कारभीमे शिखिनि विहतमार्गा अर्धदग्धा इवार्ताः अहह भुवनबन्धो पाहि पाहीति सर्वे शरणमुपगताः त्वां तापहर्तारमेकम्. Word by word meaning. Shikini, when the fire. Sakala hariti, harit, direction. In all directions, on all sides. Ghora bhankara bhime, ghorena bhankarena, with a terrific roar. Bhime was frightening, with a terrific frightening roar. Deepte was blazing. Sarve, all of them. Vihata margaha, with all exits blocked. Ardha dagdhaha, iva, as if already half burnt. Artaha, in distress. Ahaha bhuvana bandho, O friend of all. Pahi pahi, save us, save us. Iti, thus. Tapa hartaram, the remover of all sorrows. Tvam ekam, in thee, the only one. Sharanam upagataha, took refuge. Full meaning. When the fire began to blaze on all sides with a terrific frightening roar and all exits were blocked, all of them in distress as if they were already half burnt. Look refuge in thee, the only remover of all sorrows, saying, O friend of all, save us, save us. Om Tat Sat.